this tornado happened. April 27th, 2024. This is what happened. The day the tornado hit. Yeah, that's what happened. The day of the tornado.
Are you doing video, Bubba?
Yeah, I'm doing video. Hannah, move. Hannah, move.
Okay, let me hear that. See if I can get some pictures. Here. Hand. Give me my camera.
Here, put your legs down. This is April 2000.
Here, let me have that.
2020.
Where's the travel trailer that's... God just wants to take a picture and then you can have it back. Calm down. What do you want, Sissy?
2007.
Okay,
2024. Ignore all of them talking.
It is lightning like crazy over here.
Yeah, we need to head that way.
It's
I
lightning.
think, well, the
Make sure
fence,
to
I
like
don't
this.
know.
Make sure to
Left
like
that way. Let's
this
just go back
video,
and get some pictures
I want
of
to
this.
see at least 20 mil. I want to see at least over 200 views. Yeah, this is April 2024.
Do what now?
So it's basically the 4th.
Where's Edmond
The
Road?
4th.
Ah,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
so
go back
it's
down there and take
basically-
those pictures real quick.
It's the 4th. It's the 4th
Where?
month.
Where?
And
On the Edmond
it's
Road?
2024. It's April 27th. Yeah, make sure to like and make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.